Hi, this is Joshua. Welcome to Bits. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and setup of this Dahua C22 Wi-Fi camera. The box contains a power supply, USB cable, mounting screws, as well as wall plugs, a mounting base, the camera, which can be adjusted accordingly. The camera also has room for a memory card, as well as this is the speaker to the back. And last but not least, the quick start guide to help get you started with installation. Step 1. Attach the included USB cable with power supply to power on the device. Step 2. Search for the Liche app in the Play Store or App Store and install it. Step 3. Once the app is finished installing, select Open. Step 4. If it is the first time you're using the app, select Sign Up on the lower left hand corner of the screen. I already have an account, so I would enter my email address and password to log into the account. Step 5. Once you're logged into the account, select the plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen to add a device. Now you could enter a serial number or manually scan the QR code to add a device. For this example, I'll scan the QR code. The QR code is located at the bottom of the device. Once scanned, select Next. Ensure your router works under the 2.4 GHz frequency and place the smartphone and camera within 30 centimeters of the router. Select Next. Step 6. Now they're asking you to input the Wi-Fi password of the router you're connected to. So I'm going to enter my Wi-Fi password. Next. Now it will take a few seconds to configure the network. Step 7. Now you're going to set the admin password for the device. The password is recommended to be at least 6 characters or more, a mixture of letters and numbers. And you need to confirm the password as well. Okay. It has been successfully added. Now you select Start Live Preview. And that's it. You're all done installing your new Wi-Fi camera. For viewing this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as like our Facebook page to stay up to date with all products and promotions. To contact us, you could reach us at 467-6625 as well as 272-1852. Thanks again. Bye.